Let's see how to disable past dates in a calendar. As you can see, so you could be working on a project, and it requires that the user should not be able to pick from a calendar from old days or past days, basically. So just as you can see, so it could be that you want to like a scheduler application or something that has to do with maybe something like a booking system and all that. So they shouldn't be able to book for a day that is past. So as you can see, so see that these ones have been disabled. These days are disabled. So even if I want to go to the years, I cannot do that because I have it is not disabled. I can only schedule for the future. Okay, as you can see here. So I can't go to today is 1st of March, so I can't go to 21st of, um, of February. This year being leap year. Okay, so that's what I want to do in this video. So let's see how it is. Okay, so this is the HTML and the CSS code. So this one is pre-written. There's something much here, just basic things. The body area within the CSS, then the input element, the padding and the width and all that. That's what you have in this area. Okay, so that's basically what you have there. The main thing here is for the JavaScript for it to work as expected. But you can actually do it manually by say mean equal to like today now 2024 March then first. So as you can see, so here if you run it now, as you can see here, because this is manual. Okay, so you are not going to be doing this one when you are not going to have an opportunity to do this when it's running. So you can see that it's disabled. Okay, so since we have this one like this, so what you just need to do is to see how you can use JavaScript to do this so that it will be dynamic, so that subsequent days it will automatically work with it. So just like you can see, so let's delete this one now. So delete it, then go to the JavaScript area, then you create a variable, create a constant known as or called the current date. So equal to new date. So new date object. Okay, so because of new date object, new date object. Let me zoom in. So then I'll create another constant called year. So year equal to that current date that we just created, that object dot get full year. So like this. So it gets the full year. Okay, so they will not say let, because they are not, the current date will not change and all that. I mean the that object will remain the same. Then we'll not say let mod equal to current date dot get mod. We need to add one to say plus one, because mod starts from 0 based on computer reading. Okay, so all right, so we'll not say day equals let date equal day equals current date dot get date. Okay, so that one, those declarations have been made. So we'll now say mod equals mod less than, that is if mod is less than 10, then add 0 to it. Okay, then you now say plus the mod. So this is just a short form of using an if statement. Okay, so that is why you have something like 01, 02, 03 up to 09. So the same thing goes for the date. So if it is less than 10, you are going to add 0 to that number, like I said, like 01, 02 up to 09. Otherwise it will just be the month or the day. All right, so that's what we have. Then we now say, after we have done that, what we need to now do is to say document.query selector, that the input tag that we created earlier, which is here, we gave it an ID of start date. So we'll reference it here using the hashtag, then start date. Once you do that, okay, once you do that, because it's an ID, that's why we're using the hashtag here. So once you do that, that should be it. Then they will not need to associate it with that mean. When I say mean, that is the minimum date basically equals those the month, year, and the day that we created earlier. So we'll just do some concatenation here. So we now say year hyphen. No, this one is not minus, it's just a formatting. We're just concatenating it with the minus or the negative sign. So it's not the minus thing or operator or subtraction operator, for example. All right, so you make sure that you don't put space in between them, otherwise it will not work, because the formatting is year dash month dash day. Okay, so that's what you have right there. So if you go there now, and you run it, see that it goes well, it works very well. All right, but if you put a space here, look at that. If you put a space there, you are going to see that it will not work, because the space you put will not make it format properly. Okay, so that's basically what you have there. All right, I hope this works for you. So I hope this helps. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already, then share the video. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.